We're the Book Doctors. And welcome to People
Pitching Books
in Elevators.
Hi, come on in. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Excellent, excellent. So what's your name?
Leah.
Leah.
Leah
Where are you from?
New Hope, Pennsylvania.
Ooh.
And we see you've got a friend with you.
I do.
Who's your friend?
This is Alcott. He's different.
He looks very different.
All right, let's go.
Is that it?
That's it. We're gonna hear the pitch. What floor would you like to go to?
The highest one.
All right.
That's good.
Floor 5, please.
Alcott's different. Some mornings his reflection shows elephant, sometimes lion, sometimes the scales of a dragon. His parents say he's unique and he just needs to find his tribe. Think ugly duckling, some of
All right.
That was awesome!
that last part out.
No, that was the best
That's the best part. Yeah, you're going to use me as here's what not to do.
No, that was great. Thank you so much. You were fantastic. Hi, come on in.
Hello.
Hi. What's your name?
My name is Laura Roberts.
Hi, Laura. Where are you from?
I'm from Wheeling, West Virginia.
Ooh,
Wow,
nice.
Okay.
What floor would you like to go to?
I'd like to go to 5.
Yeah.
please. Let's go to 5. Let's go to 5.
All right, you
All
ready?
right.
Go.
In Chapter 3 in The Grapes of Wrath, Steinbeck has a turtle cross the road. The turtle is an allegory. The turtle is hit by a car. The turtle takes Steinbeck to court to sue him for allegorical animal abuse. Are we there yet?
No, keep going.
A possum has died for the 4th time, and his friends have gathered around, and they're giving his eulogy, and they keep poking him because they don't know if he's going to wake up, because he always wakes up at his funerals.
All right.
That's great. Woo!
Hello and welcome to the Book Doctors YouTube channel. So you just saw a couple of elevator pitches.
In an elevator.
In an elevator, which is pretty fun. And as you can see, they go by really, really quickly, and it's really hard to describe what your book is. And for that reason, we recommend a really
Very
short
super
and pithy elevator pitch. So for example, with our book, here it
It's the
is.
essential guides of
Getting your book published. We say it's the what to expect when you're expecting of publishing. And we just leave it there.
That's it?
That's it.
Yeah.
In Hollywood, there was a whole other way of describing.
Well, you usually put two things together that you wouldn't necessarily put together. For instance, Jaws in outer space. So you get Jaws with sharks. Outer space is, outer space. And that movie is...
Wait, let's not give it away.
No. If you have the answer...
If you have the answer, put it in the comments section.
Yes.
But that kind of pitch immediately makes you go, Jaws in outer space, some kind of villainous something is...
They also have the greatest tagline.
Yeah.
In outer space, no one can hear you scream.
And that kind of thing can also be used, a tagline in an elevator pitch. But trying to get your entire book from floors, in this case, 1 to 5, it's just not going to work. You can't even get a character in, really.
Here's some other examples. This is one of our favorites, and Arielle was able to sell an entire book based on this one elevator pitch.
Yeah. The elements of style for fruit trees.
We heard that at a Pitch of Blues. We're like, wow.
Yeah.
It just displays that this mind is so agile and has such a great way of spinning a phrase. And these two, elements of style, everything you need to know about punctuation, grammar, how to format a manuscript, and fruit trees.
And it made everyone laugh,
and everybody laughed.
So
Yes.
That's a wonderful example of twisting something and making people go, what is that? I wonder. Which is really what you want an elevator pitch to do, is to just pique someone's interest.
Make them go, oh my God, tell me more.
Exactly. So try and come up with something short, pithy, and that will inspire someone to ask you for the longer pitch.
And if you guys have a great elevator pitch,
yeah.
or of your own,
Yeah.
or you see one, in Hollywood and a book and idea, put it in the comments section, and we'll share it around. Share the love.
All right. Thanks, everybody.
See you
at the bookstore. Hang on.
So this is pitching books in
People pitching books in elevator. People, that's you. You
Yeah,
have it
that's
flipped around. People pitching books in elevators. Here we go.
Well, this is people pitching book.
People.
That was bad.
People pitching in elevators. Here we go. Hello.
Hello.
And welcome to the Book Doctors YouTube
page.
channel.
What the figgity wag
You
digs?
get that wrong so many times. Okay.
I'm shamed right now.